This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Vault Series 2, one box eBay break. January 15th, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Matt Ware with the Marlins, Phillies, Padres, and Rays. Edge Dash Gel with the Red Sox, Cubs, Astros, and Yankees. Rex 102468, Reds, Orioles, and Athletics. Pitt P. Red with the Tigers, Royals, Rockies, Angels, and Cardinals. Lake What Fu with the Mariners, Rangers, and Giants. GVSU 333 with the Nationals. Paddock-76 with the Blue Jays. J.F. Weasel with the Pirates. Orange Moogs, White Sox, Mets. Rob Bry, hopefully I said that right, _3622 with the Twins. User ID 316 with the Brewers. Jane Smith 1133 with the Dodgers. User ID 316 with the Indians. Made in KC 32 with the Braves, and user ID 316 with the Diamondbacks. That is your full lineup. Alright, we've got your sealed box here. 2020. Get the camera to focus in on it, maybe. There we go. 2020 Gold Rush Baseball Vault Series 2. We got 3 high-end hits in our box here. So let's go ahead and get the plastic off. Crack and seal. Alright, we got 3 high-end hits here. 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. Alright, here we go. First hit. Good luck, everybody. Hit number 1. We've got... Oh, wow. How about a Bernie Williams for the Yankees autograph? 8 out of 35. Wow, is that sharp? Holy cow. That is beautiful. Congrats to the Yankees. What a gorgeous Bernie Williams autograph. 8 out of 35. That's out of 2018 Topps Definitive Collection. Legendary autograph. Bernie Williams. That is gorgeous. What a beautiful card. Beautiful Bernie. Eight out of 35. Wow. What a hit. Yankees striking first. Beautiful. Edge Dash Gel. Congrats. That's gorgeous. Very nice. Alright. Hit number 2. Ooh, we got a 1/1. Francisco Lindor. Wow. For the Indians. 1/1. There's your 1/1. Wow, is that nice. Beautiful Francisco Lindor. 1/1. That's really nice. That's that Gypsy Queen. 2019. Very nice hit for the Indians. 1/1. We love 1/1s here at Cardboard Hobby. Indians owned by user ID 316. Congrats. That's really nice. Gorgeous 1/1. Francisco Lindor. Alright, and hit number 3. Good luck, everybody. We've got a 2015 Bowman Chrome Draft Walker Buehler with a Beckett Authenticated Autograph, graded 10. So the Dodgers. Nice Beckett 10 Authenticated Autograph on that. Beautiful Walker Buehler for the Dodgers. Dodgers owned by James Smith. 1133. Congrats, it's very nice. Walker Buehler autograph. The auto is graded a 10 as well. Very nice. That's out of 2015 Bowman Chrome Draft. So the Dodgers, Walker Buehler, running back through the hits here, guys. Had your Francisco Lindor. 101 at a Gypsy Queen. Indians, very nice. And we started out with your Bernie Williams for the Yankees, 8 out of 35. Autograph, that's really nice. That's gorgeous. Out of 2018 Topps Definitive Collection. Great break, guys. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. I'll be sticking around. We've got another break coming up at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I want to thank everybody so much for your support, guys. I really appreciate it. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay. Got a wonderful lineup of breaks scheduled through the weekend and all of next week, so don't miss out on those. Thank you so much for your support. Please be smart, be safe out there.